Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 12 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 3423, maximum difference between adjacent elements in a circular array, right? So in this problem, we have given a circular array nums. We have to find the maximum absolute difference between the adjacent elements, right? And this is a circular array, right? In a circular array, the first and the last elements are adjacent. All right, so see this example number 1. So this is my nums array. Okay, so 1 2 difference is 1. Okay, 2 4 difference is 2, right? We need to take the absolute difference. Now in the circular array, the first and last elements are also adjacent, so difference between this 1 and 4 is 3. Okay, so we have to return the max difference. So max difference is nothing but 3. That's it, right? And these are the constants, right? Let's write the code. Nothing complex in this problem. So first of all, just calculate the length of nums array, then create one variable result where you need to store your final answer, and here in this just store the value of math.absolute of. Okay, math.absolute of, and here inside this just pass nums of 0. Okay, the first element, right? The element at 0 index minus the element at the last index. Okay, so here n minus 1. All right, so here this is the value that I have stored in the result. Then just run one simple loop for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1. All right, and here I plus plus, and now inside this just update your result as math dot max of the result value that we have, and the math dot absolute value, and here we have to pass nums of I, okay, minus nums of I plus 1. That's it. All right, and in the end you have to simply return result. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. We'll try to fix that. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it, and the time complexity for this problem is going to be of n only, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.